I am down at Polybell and Angela's just lifted up the top of the hoppers with the Amazon Titan 12 metre drill. That's what it looks like at the top. So yeah, he's putting some wheat for their spring drilling. Here he is with the Manitou. Up and over. I'll get out of his way and then you normally pull the cord, drop them out and it will let it come in. Then there's 3 tanks on here, it's 6,000 litres, and he can calibrate each of the tanks to actually seed differently if they wanted to. Out it comes. And that's a Philip Watkins attachment on the front for the bags. Ghost Rider to tower, requesting a flyby. Negative Ghost Rider, the powder's full. Yeah, we're just pulled into the field now and Angel is going to open up the drill. He's just reversing back up now to the corner. He normally checks the airflow across the back of the coulters where the seeds come out, make sure everything's flowing freely before he sets off, but there are meters on there that monitoring meters which are just there. There you can hear the fans. You might have heard the tank then as it was pressurising, and that there, that's where the seeds get blown out of. So it opens it up into the ground and the seed drops in, and then these tines here close it over, some press wheels, and they will just consolidate the ground back on and keep the moisture in. Here he is, just running along. All good, he'll jump back in cab and he will set off. And off he goes. Wheel eradicator there in the middle, just taking out a bit of the wheeling. There you'll be able to see the seed dropping in, and you can see the tines are covering back over.